Now let us see the fourth question. Two questions I have written 2 questions here, 4 and 5. You please note down. After pausing the video, you can note this down. See, the first question is 4 equal charges are brought from infinity to 4 corners of a square of side A. What is the potential energy of the system of charges? See, 4 charges are brought, 4 equal charges. Let it be Q. So, 4 equal charges are brought and it was fixed on the 4 corners of a square of side A. This side is A. What is the total potential energy? We know this formula. Potential energy in 4-point charges. That may be 4 or 5, whatever it is. You can develop equation for 4, 5 or any number of charges. Now you can write this. What is the potential energy? Let Q be the charge. Then what is the potential energy in bringing first charge from infinity to here? 0, because no work has to be done, because there is no charges in the vicinity. So there won't be any electric field and there won't be any opposition or repulsion. So you need not work to bring a charge situated at A. Imagine that it is at A, from infinity to A. So the work done is 0. Now what is the second work done? What is the work done in bringing a charge from infinity to B? There will be a force of repulsion by this charge at A, and that is given by 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q at A into Q at B by, what is the distance of separation? It is A. This is the work done in bringing B from infinity to here. Now I am bringing another charge to C, same charge Q to C. So what will be the work done? So I can, for easy, for understanding, I can write QA and QB. Now I am bringing another charge QC. So the work done will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 QA. There will be a repulsive force by QA, and it is brought from infinity. I am bringing it to here. So QA, then QC by this I can write AB, first one. This is AC. Then this B also will oppose its this charge Q when it comes from infinity, and that will be equal to plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 QB QC by BC. Now I am bringing the fourth charge. This fourth charge Q will be repelled by, that arrival will be opposed by A, B and C. So it will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q at A, Q at D by, what is the distance? AD, plus this B also will oppose, that will be equal to QD or QB, QD by BD. And this C will also oppose, so that will be equal to QC, QD by DC. So this is the total external work done, because this is the force of, this is the opposition. So the actual external work done will be this much, and this much will be the potential energy stored in the system. And I can take it out. All these are QA, QD, LM same ana. So you can write, U can be written as 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0. This can be written as Q square, Q into Q into 1 by AB plus 1 by AC plus 1 by BC plus 1 by AD plus 1 by BD plus 1 by DC. And that will be equal to, U will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q square into what is AB? AB is A, so 1 by A plus, what is AC? What is AC? This much. Is it root 2A? A square plus A square, square root of A square plus A square plus square root of 2A square, that is root 2A. So 1 by root 2A plus, was it BC 1 by A plus 1 by AD. What is AD? AD is 1 by A plus 1 by BD. 1 by BD is 1 by root 2A. This distance is also root 2A plus 1 by DC. 1 by DC is A. DC is A. So you will get U is equal to, take all the A outside, Q square by 4 pi epsilon 0 A into 1 plus 1 by root 2, 1 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1. And that will be equal to Q square by 4 pi epsilon 0 into 1 plus 1 2 plus 1 3 plus 1 4, 4 plus 1 by root 2 plus 1 by root 2, that is into 4 plus 2 by root 2. Or this can be written as Q square by 4 pi epsilon 0 A, here A is there, 4 plus root 2. 2 by root 2 is root 2. So this is the answer. So please note down this, and then we will go to the fifth problem. Now let us see the fifth question. Two electrons each with a velocity of 10 raised to 6 meter per second are released towards each other. That means, imagine that there is a gun, electron gun. Using that electron gun, two electrons are shot. That is one with a velocity of 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Another electron with the same velocity is shot in the opposite direction, and they are approaching each other. At what distance it will come to rest? Because as the electron comes, it is moving with the velocity, it is having a kinetic energy. As it moves, what will happen? There will be a repulsive force. And due to that repulsive force, what will happen? This hydrogen atom, this electron will get retarded. And finally, a stage, when the velocity will come slowly, it will decelerate. So retardation will be there. And finally, what will happen? It will come to rest. And due to the repulsive force. Okay. Now let us see how to find it out. See, let us see what is the initial velocity. Initial velocity of electrons is equal to 10 raised to 6 meter per second. Now, when it moves, it is having kinetic energy. What is the kinetic energy? It is half mv square. And when it reaches here, what happens? This system will have potential energy. It is at a distance say r. Suppose this distance is r. So it is having a potential energy. The question is to find out r. So it will have a potential energy. What will be the potential energy? Potential energy at this position, potential energy will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 E by r. Q by or Q1 Q2 by r. Here it is minus of E and minus of E. Potential energy will be this much. From where these electrons will get a potential energy? Where the system will get, because it is having kinetic energy, and that kinetic energy is slowly converted to potential energy as it retards. What is its kinetic energy? So mass of electron m is equal to 9 into 10 raised to minus 31 kilogram. Then therefore kinetic energy of both electrons will be equal to half mv square plus half mv square, and that will be equal to mv square. And what is m? M is 9 into is equal to 9 into 10 raised to minus 31 into what is V? 10 raised to 6 the whole square, and that will be equal to 9 into 10 raised to minus 31 into 10 raised to 12, 31, 12. So that will be equal to 9 into 31 minus 12, that is 19, 10 raised to minus 19 joules. This will be the kinetic energy of this thing. Now what is the potential energy? Potential energy will be equal to 9 into 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0, 9 into 10 raised to 9 into what is E? 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 19 whole square, that is E, that is E square, and that will be equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9 into 1.6 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 38. This will be the potential energy. When it comes to rest, this potential energy will be completely transferred to the, because it is coming to rest. So V is 0, that is kinetic energy has become 0. That means the entire kinetic energy has converted to potential energy. There is one R also here, sorry, by R. So at equilibrium, Ke will be equal to Pe, that is 9 into 10 raised to minus 19 will be equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9 into 1.6 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 38 divided by R. So R will be equal to 9 into 10 raised to 9 into 1.6 into 1.6 into 10 raised to minus 38 divided by 9 into 10 raised to minus 19. And if you calculate it, you will get it as 2.56 into 10 raised to minus 10 meters. This will be the answer. See how we are done. I will repeat once again. See, two electrons are shot from two guns in exact opposite center. So they both of them are approaching each other. The velocity is, initial velocity is 10 raised to 6 meter per second. As it comes together, there will be a force of repulsion between these two. So what happens? The velocity decreases, and finally as the velocity decreases, these two will come to rest. Okay, and after that it will move away. That is a different thing. At that moment, what is the potential energy? See, what is the closest approach? After that it will move away. So when it comes to rest, the entire kinetic energy will be transferred to the potential energy of the system, two charge system. We know what is the formula for potential energy. It is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q1 q2 by r. So E by r. Here the charge is minus E by r. Now what is the kinetic energy? We are having velocity, we are having mass. So we know the kinetic energy of both. That is written. Okay. And when at equilibrium, when it comes to rest, at equilibrium, kinetic energy will be equal to potential energy, and if you equate it, you can get the value of R. Okay, please note down. Now let us come to sixth question. This question is asked in NEET. I think it is in 2011 or 12. See, 4 electric charges plus Q, minus Q and minus Q are placed at the center, at the corners of a square of side 2L. The electric potential at A, midway between plus Q and minus Q, plus Q and plus Q is, there are 4 options. A is this one, B is this one, C is this one, D is this one. So the figure is given, it is 2L. This is the point A, which is the midway between these two. That means this distance is L. This distance is also L. You have to find out the potential at this point P. See, who all contribute to the potential? All the 4 charges will contribute a potential there. What is the potential? Let us find out what are the potential produced by this charge, this charge, this charge and this charge. Then we have to simply add up. That is the only thing. So let us find out what is the potential at A. Let us name it as 1, 2, 3, 4. Potential at A due to charge 1, that will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by, this is the distance, this is r, q by r, this is equal to L, so it is q by L. Now potential due to charge at 2 will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by, this is charge 2 and this is the point here. So what is the distance? Distance r is this one. This is the distance r. What is that distance? How you can calculate? This distance is L and this is 2L. Then what will be this distance? The r will be equal to, see, this is L, this is 2L and this is L. So square root of r will be equal to square root of L square plus 2L, the whole square. That is equal to L square plus 4L square. L square plus 4L square, that is equal to square root of 5L square, and that will be equal to root 5L. So this r is equal to root 5L. So here potential at A due to minus Q will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 minus q by root 5 L. Okay. Now potential due to 3 charge placed at 3, that will be equal to minus of the 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 minus of q. This is minus q by this distance. What is this distance? That is also same. That is root 5 L by root 5 L. Now potential due to 4th charge, that will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 plus q by L. This distance is L. So this is plus q by L minus q by L minus q by root 5 L, like that. So total potential will be equal to sum of all those things. That will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 plus q by L, this one, then this one, plus q by L, so that is our minus of q by root 5 L minus of q by root 5 L, and that will be equal to, we will take q by L outside, q by 4 pi epsilon 0 L into q by L is outside, so 1 plus 1 minus 1 by root 5 minus 1 by root 5, and that will be equal to 1 plus 1 2, 1 by root 5 plus 1 by root 5 is minus of 2 by root 5. So it will be q by 4 pi epsilon 0 L into 2 plus 2 by root 2 minus 2 by root 5, and that will be equal to 2, we can take outside, 2q by 4 pi epsilon 0 L into 1 minus 1 by root 5. This is the answer. And what is the choice? The correct answer is 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 2q by L into 1 minus root 5. So this is the correct answer. Okay. Note down. Now let us come to the next question. 3 charges each plus q are placed at the corners of an isosceles triangle of side BC. This is an isosceles triangle BC, and that is equal to AC, and that is equal to 2A. So this side and this side, the side of the triangle is 2A, isosceles triangle. D and E are the midpoints of BC and AC. These two are the midpoints. These two are the midpoints of these AC and BC. The work done in bringing a plus Q, capital Q charge from D to E is, this is a neat question, asked in I think 2011. So I have to take one plus Q charge from here to here. How you will calculate the work done? It is easy. How to calculate the work done? Work done in bringing unit positive charge is called a potential. So you have to calculate the potential difference at this point and this point, and calculate the potential difference. Calculate the potential at D, then calculate the potential at E, find out the potential difference. If you get the potential difference, you multiply it with Q. What is the potential difference? Potential difference is the work done in bringing unit positive charge from D to E. That is the potential difference between D and E. So if you want to get the work done in taking plus Q charge, you have to multiply it with the Q. So the work done will be equal to Q into V. You have to find out what is Q into V. For that, let us find out what is the potential at D. So let us find out potential at D. Which all charges contribute the potential to that point D? All the three charges. So this charge will contribute a potential here, this charge will contribute a potential here, this charge also will contribute a potential here. What is the charge potential contributed at? That will be equal to VB, the potential at charge potential produced by the charge Q at B, plus VC plus VA. And what is VB? VB will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by BD. What is BD? This total distance is 2A and it is said that it is the midpoint. So by A plus what is VC? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by DC. DC will be equal to A plus what? Now you have to calculate this distance also. So that will be equal to 1 plus 4 pi epsilon 0. The potential created due to the charge A will be equal to Q by AD. What is AD? What is this? This is A. This is 2A. So what will be AD? So we have from the diagram 2A square will be equal to A square plus AD square. So AD square will be equal to 2A square, that is 4A, 2A the whole square minus A square, that is equal to 4A square minus A square, that is equal to 3A square. So AD will be equal to square root of 3A square, that will be equal to root 3A. So this distance will be root 3A. So we can write it as root 3A. Instead of AD I am writing root 3A. So what will be the total potential? That will be a potential at D will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by A. I am taking common Q by A by 1 plus 1 by root 3. That will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by A into 2 plus 1 by root 3. This is the potential at VD. Now let us find out the potential at E. Potential at E. VE will be equal to, who will contribute? All the three charges will contribute a potential at E. This is one charge, this is another charge, and this is another charge. So what will be the potential? That will be equal to VA plus VB, VC plus VB. VA plus VC plus VB, and that will be equal to, what will be VA? 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by this distance, that will be equal to A, 2A by 2, that is A, plus VC, that is also distance A, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by A, plus 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 Q by, what is this distance? This distance is B. And what will be B? Similar to this, root 3A. See, This is 2a, this is a, so it will be root 3a. So I can write b as root 3a. And if you take all these things outside, 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by a I am taking outside, this will be equal to 1 plus 1 plus 1 by root 3, and that will be equal to 1 by 4 pi epsilon 0 q by a into 2 plus 1 by root 3. This is VD, VE, this is VD, same thing. Therefore, VD is equal to VD and VE, VD minus VE will become 0, or I can write VD minus VE is equal to 0. So what will be the work done? 0 into Q, that is 0. So work done will be 0, and this will be the right answer. The right answer. Okay, please note down. See, in the next video we will be starting with capacitors. In that capacitors there are a lot of numericals are there, as well as there are a lot of entrance questions also we have to discuss. So we will start capacitors from next video. Okay, thank you.